Hey! Have you ever wondered how Lego blocks are made? Let's go inside a real factory and find out! It all starts with tiny plastic pellets. These small grains are the raw material used to make every Lego block. These pellets are fed into powerful machines through pipes, where the real transformation begins. The pellets are heated at very high temperatures until they melt into thick, flowing plastic. Then the melted plastic is injected into molds shaped exactly like Lego blocks. Within seconds, the plastic cools down and hardens into perfectly shaped blocks. Special colors are added during the process, giving Lego blocks their bright and shiny look. Every single block is checked with extreme precision to make sure it fits perfectly with others. Some Lego pieces even get printed designs, like faces, patterns, or special markings. Watch this! The machine prints the face right onto the piece. So cool! Next, the blocks are sorted into different types using smart machines. See how the robot arm picks the red one? It goes right into the red box. So cool! Once sorted, the pieces are packed into boxes along with instructions. These instructions help you build amazing structures step by step. Finally, the boxes are packed and shipped to stores all around the world. And that's how Lego blocks are made. Now it's your turn to build something amazing.